Hi, I'm back. Took a trade earlier today. Was able to catch a little bit of this move. Got in at 44.23, which is about right, about right here around this area. Took two contracts. And took the first one 10 ticks, and now I'm trying to ride this all the way till about 43.61. It's kind of where my target is. So I'm about 10 ticks away. 10 ticks. So hoping it doesn't retrace all the way back. So I already put a stop around the 4303 area. Worst case, I lock in another 20 ticks from where I was. Hate to give it all back, so I might, but I'm curious to see how far I can ride this. So I'm anticipating for it to come back again, test this level, and then ride back down. So doesn't look like it. It looks like it's fairly very good day to play the breakout play. Um, so I'll be right back, and hopefully it doesn't take my stop. About I'm up about 4:30 right now, so we shall see. I don't anticipate this thing gonna skyrocket here. So around the 90 area, if anything, I might add around this area, 92. So I might look to add here, see what happens. But it looks like it's getting taken out. You gotta someone is flashing order there, uh, and canceled. So 84, someone sold at 84, a huge order. So we shall see. Look to add one here and place my stop at 99, 40, 40.02. So around this area, I'll look to add. We might even double top at 43.99. So we shall see. I was about 10 ticks away from my target. So um, 8 o'clock is going to be rolling around here soon. So the opening is going to be, it might take an upside here. And actually that 7-1 might have been good enough. So if it goes to 71, can't penetrate, I might just close the trade. But I got to give it a shot here and see where this might develop. Might look to add here at 40, about 92. Actually, right now I'll add right now. So I got two contracts. I'm gonna put a stop, uh, 12 tick stop on one, and then I'll put another 03. So I put another risk, 10-cent risk on this one. It's good enough. So if so put a target here at I'll keep my target 61. See where it develops. Looks like it wants to break out over here. 92. So hopefully it gets weak there. 44.02. So yeah, I'll put a 13 tick. 44.03. So yesterday this was a level 44.03. That was support, but it broke through that. So I'm thinking it might run through here, start consolidating, and drops back out. So that was a bad entry. I might just cut this guy a little shorter so I can keep some of my profits. I think 44.03 is good. we'll wait how it develops here, because it looks like it's gonna, there's a huge stack of orders at 43.84. I mean, you got 55.88 around those area. Seems like um, seems like there were certainly buyers there at 84. So move from that level. If anything, I'll try to cover at 84. If this thing, because it might double top here. If not, then let's see, what is that high? High is 95, so I'll just move it to protect a little bit of my profits here. So I'm risking 10 on one, and I've already 44.23 on the other, so I got another 20 ticks. So worst case here, I walk out with about 300 bucks. So we shall see. We shall see. This one's high 99. I really need to put it here, I think, or even, if anything, even hide it to this. Why don't we hide it on this low, 44.02. So we'll just, yeah, 44.03 I think seems to be a logical place. So I'll hide it on this pivot here, and then and so that way if it shoots up double, takes out the stops here, it'll go 2 ticks above me, and then it'll hit this guy. So we'll see. But it looks like it ain't coming down pretty soon. It's already taken off about 20 cents from its bottom. So I'm getting a little bit concerned here. Like I said, I saw buyers coming in at 84s. Huge stack. Let's see, 55. Yeah, you got about 100 contracts. So if that was short covering, this thing is gonna take off momentarily and then shoots back down. At least that's what I'm anticipating that's going to happen. But if it keeps going up, then that means you really have true buyers right there at 84. So what I'm going to do is, if I get stopped out, I'll look to short at these levels again, and then use that one as a target. That's what I'm going to do. So it looks like it's going to sell off here. At least that's what it looks like. Alright, so now I think it's safe to maybe protect a little bit more profit, because right now you're about 10 ticks away from this. So yeah, 3 more cents doesn't, I'm going to keep it there. When it gets close to 84, I'm going to protect more. I'm just going to manage this trade and at least maybe move it down to, I don't know, like 44 or something. But I want to see the price movement at this area, because he looks like it's going to protect that. See, I got more transaction coming in the 90s. In 95 there's a 59 transaction, 59 contracts at 95. So maybe that's what caused this candle to sell off a little bit, but you can see they put it back up, so there's transaction taking place here. So I'm thinking consolidation. If it consolidates there, then I'm maybe have to just, I need to get something out of this trade at least. So 90, so I got about 13 ticks risk on one of the contract. That still meets my budget for today. So we shall see.